itong kamay ko guys sa pagpo-pull up. Yan, tanggal. Ito yung kamay ko. Yan. Pull up yan guys. So pagising ko lang guys. Pagising ko lang. Napupull up ako 10 pull ups. And yan. Dito yan sa likod. Yung pull ups. Muscle. Ang workout yan sa likod yan. So yun lang guys. Bye bye. Good morning. God bless. Mag-stretching tayo guys. So let's go guys. Let's go. Stretching. 10 a.m. in the morning guys. School natin ay 12:30 yung klase. Oh. Dito guys. Yan na guys. Tapos ganito. Guys, at saka yung ganito 31, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 9, 30. Tapos ano guys, ganito 8 lang din. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Guys, yun lang yung stretching natin. Bye bye. God bless. Stay strong and good health.